So, where on Earth are we?
Well, ErectaStep is helping companies like this one take us into space. You know, space?
My pyramids align with the stars of Orion's belt.
Touché. So you want to do a little work on the pyramids?
Ooh.
You remember our configurator?
Mummy lie.
5 components create unlimited configurations.
I'm actually interested in building some more in a place far, far away.
I knew it. Aliens helped you build the pyramid.
That's a big myth, and I got a scroll to prove it. Our advanced civilization built the pyramids with great ropes and pulleys. So, I'd like to order this. 10,000, please.
Wow, that makes you an official distributor.
That's my ride! Hey, Bill. You mentioned next day shipping? Is that still a thing?
ErectaStep, 8th wonder of the world.